Welcome to Sound Studies. In this video, I am going to discuss about features of Spark. This video series is more related to the implementation of a Spark function using Scala. But I will going to talk the overview of Spark features. This is a typo. This is the I am talking about the Spark features. So let's discuss about fault tolerance. Apache Spark is designed to handle worker node failure. It achieves this fault tolerance by using DAG and RDD. DAG contains the lineage of all the transformation and actions needed to complete a task. So, in the event of a worker node failure, the same results can be achieved by rerunning the steps from the existing DAG. Let's discuss about dynamic nature. Spark offers over 80 high-level operators that make it easy to build parallel applications. Let's discuss about lazy evaluation. Lazy evaluation. Spark does not evaluate any transformation immediately. All the transformations are lazily evaluated. The transformations are added to the DAG and the final computation or results are available only when actions are called. This gives Spark the ability to make optimization decisions as all the transformations become visible to the Spark engine before performing any action. Let's discuss about real-time stream processing. Spark Streaming brings Apache Spark language integrated API to stream processing, letting you write streaming jobs the same way you write the batch job. Let's discuss about speed. Spark enables applications running on Hadoop to run up to 100 times faster in memory and up to 10 times faster on disk. Spark achieves this by minimizing disk read and write operations for intermediate results. It stores in memory and performs disk operations only when essential. Spark achieves this using DAG, Query Optimizer, and high optimized physical execution engine. Let's discuss about reusability. Spark code can be used for batch processing, joining stream dataset against historical data, as well as running ad hoc queries on streaming state. Let's discuss about advanced analytics. Advanced analytics. Apache Spark has rapidly become the de facto standard for big data processing and data science across multiple industries. Spark provides both machine learning and graph processing libraries, which companies across sectors leverage to tackle complex problems. And all this is easily done using power of Spark and highly scalable clustered computers. Databricks provides an advanced analytics platform with Spark. Let's discuss about in-memory computing. Unlike Hadoop, MapReduce, Apache Spark is capable of processing tasks in memory and it is not required to write back intermediate result to the disk. This feature gives massive speed to Spark processing. Over and above this, Spark is also capable of caching the intermediate results so that it can also be reused in next iteration. This gives a Spark added performance boost for any iterative and repetitive processes, which results in one step can be used later, or there is a common dataset which can be used across multiple tasks. Let's discuss about support multiple languages. Spark comes in built with multi-language support. It has most of the API available in Java, Scala, Python and R. Also, there are advanced features available with R language for data analytics. Also, Spark comes with Spark SQL, which has a SQL-like features. Developers find it therefore very easy to use, and the learning curve is reduced to a great level. Let's discuss about integrated with Hadoop. Apache Spark integrates very well with Hadoop file system, that is HDFS. It offers support to multiple file format like Parquet, JSON, CSV, ORC, Avro, etc. Hadoop can be easily integrated with Spark as an input data source or destination. Apart from this, let's talk about one feature, that is the cost efficient. As Apache Spark is an open source software, so it does not have any licensing fee associated with it. User have just worry about the hardware cost. Also, Apache Spark reduces a lot of other costs as it comes inbuilt for string processing, machine learning and graph processing. Spark does not have any locking with any vendor, which makes it very easy for organizations to pick and choose Spark features as per their use case. That's all about Spark features. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.